XRP is off to the moon and there's absolutely no stopping it. If I don't get in now, I'm gonna miss the insane move. So the news is out. XRP have won their court case and we've seen a fantastic pump. And today I want to show you guys how I was able to make a nice 35% return out of this move. Now, I'm not a huge believer in crypto from a long-term perspective, but if I can catch a quick 50, maybe 75% return on my plays on crypto, then I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna take my money and I'm gonna run. But more importantly, before, I just cash out and just take the money that I made, I wanna give you guys more of a technical perspective on my view on XRP and where I kind of think XRP could more importantly be going next. Now, when I say I'm not a big believer in crypto, I was posting videos, you guys can go watch on my channel, go watch on my trading view, when Bitcoin was trading around like 60 to 65K, same as XRP, I thought these were coming back down to like 20 cent, Bitcoin coming back down to like 15, and everyone said, Aaron, you're absolutely fucking crazy, until it happened. I am not a fundamental trader when it comes to crypto. I am purely technicals. I'm 100% technicals. And did this news maybe give the technicals a boost? Yes, in my opinion. Were the technicals already there? Yes. I want to show you guys where I was buying into XRP and kind of what is my scaling out plan moving forward. I dollar cost average crypto. I don't just buy and hope for the best. So let's break it down. So we can see here on the daily, XRP yesterday on Thursday, the 13th of July, has had a massive boom to the upside. We've gone from trading around 47 cents to, we reached highs of 95 overnight, which was just absolutely incredible. So I'm here in Australia, in Brisbane. So this move happened last night, so I woke up to everyone saying, oh my god, have you seen the crypto pump? And I said no, but it sounds pretty good. On a weekly perspective, now, if we go back and we look at the technical levels, now when I'm trading crypto, I'm only really using maybe trendline breakouts and round psychological levels. So when XRP was trading all the way back up here, this is where I was, publicly announcing that I think XRP could see a push back down to the 30 cents and potentially actually even lower, because we've had this very nice trendline breakout. We've closed below $1 on the weekly time frame, which is absolutely huge. And if you go back and you plot on all the key psychological levels, the technicals here and the technicals on crypto can be very, very simple. As XRP was trading around these regions, we were bouncing nicely off 30 cents. So even if you're buying off 30 cents and you're buying back up to come and retest this support, there you go. You've just made 77% return on your money. Now, does that mean you buy from here and when you make 70%, you just hodl? No, in my opinion, hodling is fucking stupid. This is for people who, want a dollar cost average and you want to day trade XRP. This is exactly what I'm doing. So let's get into it. So I had longs on XRP from down at around 45 cents, and I didn't have my full position. I actually wanted to get involved a little bit more if we could see this dip back down to 20. Just buying from 40, call it 45 cents up into this current pump, we're sitting around like 70%, which is amazing. Now we've just come up and XRP has just liquidated a double top and some highs from back at the very start of February 2022. So this is a very, very big level. Now, if we take a look at the daily perspective, because we want to see what's going to be happening in the next couple of days. So we have had, let's plot on more of our key levels. So we got around 85 cents there, which we have now closed above. So, it's quite interesting how price has pushed all the way up. We've tapped into the 90 regions, but we haven't actually closed above. The main decider on what's going to happen moving forward for XRP is going to be this weekly close. So the daily has closed above this 80 cent region, which is also a very, very nice level. If we just come back a little bit and we analyze this, yeah, look at this. So you got 80 cent there, very nice resistance there, support there. See that support there, bodies couldn't close above 80 cents. So 80 cents is a very, very big level. Now, if we do get this weekly close, I think even above 55 cents, this is going to be the first time we've had a bullish breakout since back in March 2021. So this is very, very big for XRP. But I say if we get that closure, is it looking likely that we are going to get that closure above 55 cents as it stands right now? Yes, it is. So it's going to be important to see for you guys who maybe do hold XRP and you want to know what the technicals are going to do next. I would mainly be watching the daily time frame over the next couple of days until you get that weekly close. Close above 55, next level is going to be around 60. Let's see if this is a nice level moving forward. Yeah, we've got nice support there, resistance. So yeah, again, 60 may be nicer as well. So closures above 55 and 60 could bring in much more upside on XRP. Now, do I think this is the move where XRP is going to go to $10 like, a lot of these crypto wizards are saying? No, I don't think so. I think we could see, XRP, maybe pump back up to 2, and amazing, I'll take that. And if it does go to 10, amazing. If it keeps breaking and retesting my psychological key levels, amazing, I'll keep trading it. Your goal in crypto isn't to try and buy the lows and hope that it's going to go up to 10K. If you've just overnight, made 70 to 100% return on your money, that is incredible. Regardless of your account size, that is absolutely fantastic. And you understand that from an ROI perspective, it's absolutely huge. So if you can make that, we get this closure above, maybe closure above 60 to 70 cent, amazing. You take your profit. When we come back down to retest these levels, like we always do, look left, we always do this. We never just break these levels and just go straight to the moon. Even on, all of the pumps on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, if I've still got my weekly levels, yeah. So if we were looking at the key levels on Bitcoin, we were trading spot on 60,000, because this is where we were talking about the shorts back down, and everyone said, Aaron, you're absolutely ludicrous. Well, when Bitcoin found resistance at 60k, which is a huge psychological level, we couldn't close above it. You then saw dips of like 50%. So do you want to see price going from, up to 100% to dipping back down to minus 50%? Absolutely not. You want to be dollar cost averaging. You want to make your money once it hits these big resistance levels like XRP is doing right now, tapping into resistance from back in 2020 to support of 21. We broke above it back in 22. That is a level where you have to be taking some money out of the markets, and if you don't, then you're purely a hopium crypto hodl boy, which I think stupid. So once you did break above it last time, look at that, you came all the way back down for the retest. So, you pushed up 120%, and then you came all the way back down to being up only 3%. So from a fundamental perspective, I don't really care. From a technical perspective, as long as you get this weekly close, above 60 to 70 cent, this could bring in a lot more upside into XRP. Now we have this nice trend line coming on down here, which again is going to be another key level of resistance where we may come into some trouble. Now, if you kind of analyze and think about what are the majority of the holders of XRP thinking right now, what a lot of the, quote unquote average Joes who don't really know too much about trading thinking about XRP right now, people are thinking XRP is off to the moon and there's absolutely no stopping it. If I don't get in now, I'm going to miss the insane move. Well, typically, if that's what the majority of people are thinking, you want to be thinking more about the opposite. So like I say, if you just made great percent returns in your money, 75, 100%, take that. And if we get that closure above these levels, price is going to give you a re-entry for you to then dollar cost average and increase your holdings without having to constantly top up your account. So for me, we made like over 35%, and I've already cashed out this morning, and I'm going to now wait for this daily to close and weekly to close. And if we get these closures above our key levels, amazing. I'm going to set some buy limits, and then I'm going to keep riding it up. If we keep going and pushing up, amazing. I'll keep reacting to price breaking above the levels. And the key word there is reacting. I'm not going to hope the price is going to go back to $2. If we break above these key levels, amazing. If we get closure on XRP in the next couple of days, it's unlikely, but over $1, then yeah, $1 to $2 could come in very, very quick. But is that plain sailing and on the cards right now? In my opinion, no. So I hope this video did help you guys from a technical perspective on what I'm going to be doing. You get these daily closures, amazing. You react to them. Psychological key levels on XRP are very, very simple. Have them on your charts. Be analyzing them. Stick to them. If you get the closures, amazing. Keep riding up. If it breaks below, react to that as well. Your goal in trading is to be pulling money out of the markets and not just hoping the price is going to go to the moon. It doesn't exist. If you guys did enjoy this quick XRP technical breakdown, remember, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.